Welcome to KPIHelm, the fastest way to see where your Shopify store is losing revenue and exactly how to fix it. Let's take a quick tour. This is your home dashboard, your latest insight, your plan, and the reports you have left this month, all at a glance. First, a quick setup. In Settings, choose your language, currency, and your main business segment. This is how KPIHelm compares you against the right industry benchmarks. Then connect your ad platforms, TikTok, Meta, and Google. Once connected, KPIHelm pulls your ad numbers in automatically so you never have to type them in. Two things here are brand new. First, if you run more than one store, KPIHelm brings them all into one place. Your web dashboard, where every store you manage sits side by side. And second, with agency access, you can give your agency read-only access to this store's reports with a single code and remove it anytime. Now the heart of KPIHelm, your report. Your ad numbers, spend, impressions, and clicks come in automatically from the platform you connected. Your store numbers, like revenue and average order value, load straight from Shopify. The one number you always enter yourself is your conversion rate. It isn't part of every Shopify plan, so KPIHelm asks you for it directly. Choose your reporting period and click Analyze My Store. KPIHelm checks your funnel across 6 key numbers and compares them to your industry in seconds. And here's your report. At the top, a plain language summary of what's really happening. The primary decision gives you the single most important thing to fix right now and what it's costing you. Below that, where your funnel breaks, how you stack up against your industry benchmark, and a clear step-by-step action plan, what to do this week, and what it's worth. The performance page shows your trends over time. KPIHelm points out your biggest opportunity right now. Here, it's your click-through rate, and charts your key metrics, like return on ad spend and conversion rate, so you can see what's improving and what's slipping. Filter by platform and period to dig deeper. Growth Signals looks across all your recent reports to find your most stubborn problem, the one blocker that keeps holding your store back. Price Check is new. Enter your costs, and it shows the lowest price you can charge without losing money, so every sale actually earns you a profit. Period Profit is new too. Enter your sales and costs for any period and see your real profit, not just your revenue. Report History keeps every report you've run so you can track your progress and watch your store improve over time. In Plan and Billing, see your subscription, how many reports you get each month, and change or cancel anytime. And whenever you need a hand, the KPIHelm Guide answers your most common questions. That's KPIHelm. Find the leak, fix it, and grow. Run your first report today.